Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you people how to earn free 34 USDT dollars and withdraw it to your wallet. You understand? So the website we are going to use today is called greenhalf, that is ghalf.io. Ghive.io. So it is a cloud mining platform and it is a high quality solution for cloud mining cloud mining of Dogecoin, Binance Coin, Tron and Bitcoin. Well established trading mechanism and experience in hardware coins mining makes us a reliable partner. So here, if you check very well, right here they said register now and get $4.5 for free. Like, this is fucking crazy, guys. So what all you just have to do is register. You click on your register here. But before we register, let me show you more awesome this thing. We have this website have about 133,930 users, and they work 14 days in work, you get, and they have paid out $73,006 and 1,206,144 has been invested in this site. So I don't really know if you are waiting for me to tell you to invest on this site. This site is actually cool, and they have their plans, like the standard plans and premium plans. But then before we go to the plans and register, let me show you more on this thing about this site. They have free bonuses, a random bonus for all users every 6 hours, and the systems of reward of cooperation, and they have level of affiliates. They have quick withdrawal, which that one is the most interesting part. Quick withdrawal without no commission made initially at the first after the user has made a request, and they have up to 6% per day income. Like, you can earn up to 6% income if you invest with them. So these are the plans. They have the zero plans, which is free, that is 2% per day. Invested period is 180 days, and they have the bronze plan, which is $10, and they have the silver plan, which is $30, and they have the iron plan, which is 70. They have the platinum part, which is 150. So guys, let's go over to the register. Once you click on this register now, we are going to fill in these details. So let me fill in some details. So guys, follow me up very well, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so that anytime I upload awesome videos like this, you'll be among the first to take part. Please and please, I'm still pleading, subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. So right now I've filled in the details, then I'll now click on create account. Let's watch. Boom, we've created an account with them, and they've showed us that we are on the free plan. So what you have to do is, once you come here, you increase this. Once you increase this, it will automatically start reading for you. Do you understand? You've started earning in USDT. So this is how you can leave it this way, and it will be mining for you. And you can as well come here, turn this one on to this percent, and it will start mining for you too. Let's check it out. So that is that for that one, guys. It's only this part that can be reading. You can actually stop it and then click on this part too. So guys, take part in this thing and mine on this site. It is paying mine these free plans and withdraw it to your wallet address, withdraw it to your wallet app, withdraw it and use for anything. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly do well to subscribe so that anytime I upload awesome videos like this, you'll be among the first to take part in this. Thank you very much. See you next video. Bye.